Have you been saying, I'm just too busy? I am too busy working so hard on my business, in my organization. Oh, I'm just too busy. If that's you, then I want to offer you a space where you can come and not just work in your business, but work on your business for an hour to work through an exercise that at the end of it, you will create the potential for less busy. You'll walk away with 3 simple actions you can take to simplify your business, which in turn will give you more traction, more energy, and more ease moving forward. If that sounds like something that would interest you, then I want to invite you to my Clarity and Coffee workshop. It's going to be at 13 Ravens Coffee House on May 31st from 4:30 to 5:30. And, it's just going to be a great time with other business owners, other entrepreneurs meeting together to advance their businesses forward by creating less busy, by really leveraging the power of simplicity. So, if you're interested, check out the description below with all the info on how to sign up and to pay online. And until then, I will see you hopefully at the workshop on May 31st. My name is Jeff. Talk to you guys later, guys. Bye-bye.